Jeez, it is super bright and early, but we're gonna be headed to a little car meet today. So I picked this up. Gotta get it warmed up. I should have already left, but I'm waiting on my brother now, so that's my excuse. Give it that cold start. It's pretty cold out here. There we go, there we go. My brother's gonna go with me. Not sure if he's coming with me or if he wants to take his RSX. But yeah, so hopefully get some usually cool cars here. This time I do a better time of showing it. So yeah, but I'm gonna let this thing warm up, turn the heater on into the bitch, and let it warm up, and we'll see you whenever I see you. I just got here. Tony's pulling up as we speak. An all-wheel drive hatch. I la verga. He would do it on camera. He only stalled because I'm here. I make him nervous. I'm guessing no David. I asked him, I was like, is David coming? He's like, yeah, David said it if he wakes up. So I guess no David, I don't see him. But I'll probably kick back here for an hour after it starts. There's one car. George is over there. But it's probably chill here, still a little bit of cars. This whole squad rolling deep. Some Fast and Furious shit. Damn, listen to this thing. La verga.
See, Marco, give me a piece.
Yeah.
I will cut it.
It's your boy.
What you want?
Single cam with the triple A's. Oh, this right here is clean. I like that. This thing's tight. I'd rip this in the desert. If I ever got a CRX, man, this is the color I'd want it in too. I almost had a CRX and the dude flaked and I went and bought an EF.
Don't they want like 10?
Yeah, they had it up for, I think it was 11. This right here is tight too. I like the Ford Explorer. It's your boy. What up, man? How's it running? Long time to see how you been.
Was that a B?
H. It's a H or a F. I think they're like same shit. Tegra. K1s. Some you see in the early 2000s. But I like it. I think it's a cord. I don't know what it is. It's tight. Maybe I should put the RPF ones on my Integra. I like the look. This thing rolling in looked pretty nice too. That was pretty sick. K-Swap EG. K is the way. Every time I see this thing, man, this thing is clean.
That shit's camera now.
Let me show you the back. I don't know if it's an Evo spoiler. That's my guess, but looks like it to me. Usually this dude has the prelude sign that lights up. Thing's sick. The interior is clean. Tight. Makes some noise over here. Fucking rally racer. Type S. To the frame. A better turnout. Last time we were here, it was raining. We left early. We didn't stay as long. So, it's your boy George right here. It's your boy. We got
YouTube or what? YouTube?
oh, just for you.
All right, YouTube.
This is your boy at the dealership. Hooks up with everything. This is George. I'm gonna tell George to paint under the hood. Your boy like a whipping it. Oh damn! I didn't see this. This is tight. What the hell? I've never seen this. Yeah, they locked the doors. So sick. This is tight. Oh, there's grass in the floor too?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
What year?
This is tight. Put you on the K1s? Huh? Is there? I didn't look. I just saw there was grass. Oh, that's spacious. Put the seats down. Hella spacious.
That's what you want to know.
The K1s? Yeah, but I don't know if I'd want it in black.
Yeah, I do the silver.
I like silver. I think I'm kind of ready to change the wheel setup on the Integra. Is your homie? I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, this dude just closed the hood, but it's clean too. One day I'll get an S2000. S14 with the S15 front. I didn't see under the hood, but I'm pretty sure. I think this is a case lock. I don't remember. Huh? Oh, what's case? Yeah, I just didn't see it. We got a couple things in the back of the lineup. This Type R put up. Your boy. Can't forget him because I know he watched these videos. Let me see. His tires are extra shiny today. My car and Tony's car, we didn't even wash them. My car's dirty. All I did is a Circle K at the very end. I went there just to clean the windows. That RX-7 drove by like 5 times now.
I was thinking the same. One of those motors and a hatch. Found it. Watch out behind.
What is it, stock 300 too?
Easy, yeah.
And that's plenty.
He's probably like 450.
Your boy right here, you already know. Tony. Yeah.
Get the soap, and then after
A
you
couple
wash
other cars down here. Crispy clean. Clean. Got all the attention over
I
here.
understand now. I was just curious. So I didn't know if I had this top and bottom, but yeah.
I don't even know what this is right here. Got no idea. Man, this is nice. Right-hand drive. Oh, it's for sale. Ready to leave, but I didn't walk this way, so I'm gonna show you what's over here. I like this valve cover. Chrome. Patrick say future. It's over here too. I like these wheels. Mark's over here. This Bruce to be serious. This one's good. Pulsar, same turbo I got. But that one looks fucking huge. I think that's your boy Jay over there. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to head out, so I figured I'd come down here and show what's over here. We already at this beat. That Circle K was close, now I gotta go to QT and get me something. So right there, I thought Tony gave me a thumbs up to go because I'm front wheel drive and he's all wheel drive, but in reality, he told me to count it off, which is why I took off. But the only way to beat him is to cheat. He's making way more than me. So yeah, back to the video.
Hey, G.